Did you know that the future of cyber attacks is here? Brace yourself for the cyber arms race, where advanced technology and artificial intelligence collide. Cyber criminals are no longer lone wolves sitting in basements. They are now organized, well-funded entities that employ cutting-edge technology to breach our defenses. Data centers, containing a vast ocean of sensitive information, have become prime targets for cyber attacks. As technology advances, so do the threats. AI-powered attacks can now infiltrate networks, adapting and evolving to overcome even the most sophisticated security measures. But it's not just online. Tech warfare has also become a reality. State-sponsored hackers are using drones equipped with hacking devices to breach physical infrastructure, disrupting power grids, transportation systems, and more. To defend against these powerful threats, companies and governments are harnessing the power of AI themselves. They are developing advanced algorithms that can detect and neutralize attacks in real time, fighting fire with fire. Sophisticated machine learning models can now identify patterns and anomalies in network traffic, flagging potential threats before they can cause significant damage. These systems are becoming the first line of defense in the cyber arms race. But as the battle rages on, skilled professionals and ethical hackers play a pivotal role. Their expertise is essential in staying one step ahead of the attackers, constantly pushing the boundaries of cybersecurity. Remember, the future of cyber attacks is not some distant concept. It's happening now, and it's evolving faster than ever before. Stay vigilant and protect yourself. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the ever-changing world of technology and cybersecurity.